In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a contact in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to refresh your skills, this tutorial will simplify the process of adding a new contact. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate through these steps with ease. First, let's start by heading over to the Salesforce interface. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Salesforce is designed to be user-friendly, but knowing where everything is can really speed up your workflow. Now, direct your attention to the navigation bar, which is usually found at the top of your screen. Here, you'll see various tabs that help you get around Salesforce. The next thing you'll want to do is click the Contacts tab. This tab is your gateway to managing all the contacts in your Salesforce account. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the Contacts page, which lists all of your current contacts. If you're managing a large list, you might find it useful to use the search bar or filters to quickly pinpoint specific contacts. Now that you're on the Contacts page, it's time to add a new contact. Look to the top right corner of the page and you'll find a button labeled New. This button is your starting point for creating a new contact. Go ahead and click it. By doing so, you'll open a form where you can input various details about the contact you wish to add. Filling out the form is a crucial step. Let's go over what information you'll need. The most important field is the last name. Salesforce requires this field because it uses last names as a primary identifier for contacts. Make sure to enter a valid last name to proceed. Next, you'll encounter the account name field, often referred to as company. This field is essential if the contact you're adding is associated with a specific company. Simply type in the name of the company, and Salesforce will search its records to help you find the right account. At this point, you might notice there are several other fields available for additional information, like email addresses, phone numbers, and job titles. While these aren't mandatory, they can be incredibly useful for keeping your records detailed and organized. Consider filling out as much information as possible to ensure you have a comprehensive contact profile. This will make future interactions smoother and more efficient. Once you've entered all the necessary details, it's time to save your new contact. Look for the Save button, which should be located towards the bottom of the form. Clicking Save will add the contact to your database, making it easily accessible for future reference. After saving, you'll be redirected back to the Contacts page, where you can see your newly created contact listed among the others. And there you have it, you've successfully created a new contact in Salesforce. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your contacts, keeping your Salesforce account organized and up to date. Remember, the more you use Salesforce, the more intuitive it will become. Feel free to revisit this tutorial anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy Salesforce navigating.